Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer asset management with JP Morgan Chase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the asset management transfer process with JP Morgan Chase, visit their official website. Create or log into your existing account for access to asset management services. Once logged in, navigate to the asset management section of your account. Review the asset management options available, including investment strategies and portfolio management services. Select the option to initiate an asset transfer. You will be prompted to provide details about the assets you wish to transfer. Fill out the required information accurately, including account numbers and asset types. Determine whether the transfer involves cash or securities, and select the appropriate option. Carefully read the terms and conditions associated with the asset transfer. Confirm that you understand and agree to the terms by checking the consent box. Submit your transfer request within the online platform. Expect a confirmation notification regarding your request, either through email or your account dashboard. If needed, follow up with customer support for any questions or additional documentation required. Monitor your account for updates throughout the transfer process. Ensure all assets have been successfully managed and transferred as outlined in the previous notifications. Review your portfolio after the transfer to familiarize yourself with the new management services. Finally, make any necessary adjustments to your investment strategy based on your goals and preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.